Heidi hi campers, it's a grey drizzly day. The fishing's slow. Come along there nosy. Rightio fishermen, at long last we finally managed to snag one. Man, it's been a long time coming. The real trout. I was talking to a really pleasant chap here this morning. Had a good chin wag about a lot of things. Hee, got a fish. The trout has broken on this drizzly day. Hey Jack. Nice to finally see a fish. Keep him out of the water too long. Settle down, Butch. Settle down. Where are you going? No escape there from between my legs. Go that way.